against which is trained on our primer sets, and then we'll get annotation of each of the sequences that are present in our data. Okay. Now I hope all of you have this file. You were able to download this file. Do all of you have this file? Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay. So quickly just check the location of it. I would like you to place it inside the second data files. Okay. फिर से बता रहा हूँ. So this is my desktop. Inside desktop, there is data files. Within data files, there is another data files. Usme just keep your Silva DB. If you have any third data files inside or somewhere else, don't get into that. Desktop, data files, then another data files, and place your Silva there. And let me know if all of you have the Silva QZA file placed there. Okay, just let me know. Is this where our Silva DB is? No need to repeat these steps. I'm just asking, is it where your Silva DB is? Okay, I would assume it is there. Okay. Now let's start with the command. Open your terminals. Go to data files. I had shared the command 2.sh file with you yesterday. Open that. And we'll start with step 7, which says classifying with Silva. We need to assign the classifier path. Okay. So we would select it has to be here, warna problem ho jayegi. Okay. So select this line first, copy it and paste it on your terminal. Okay. Press enter. Okay. So as you can see, next that what the next step that we have to do is, okay, by the way, you have to repeat all these 4 steps again right now. So start with base directory, copy, paste, data directory, copy, paste, raw directory, copy, paste, meta file, copy, paste. Now classifier, copy, paste. Once you are done till here, please let me know. मुझे बता दो.
Yes.
Good. Now, if you see, we are using this classify sklearn. This is the model which will read our sequences in faster format. It will compare it against the classifier here. And then this is where the taxonomy files would be generated. Okay. So we will copy this command, right click, paste it here and press enter. Now, the problem with this step is that it is an extremely intensive step. Okay? It will take a lot of time to execute. Fine. So what I have done is I have prepared two files. Okay. I have prepared two sets of files for you. One is a truncated file, and that is going to be your assignment. Okay. That is going to be your assignment. I will get an idea of how many of you have actually understood this whole pipeline. मैंने क्या किया है, what I have done, I have run this entire step on the exact data that we have generated on my labs server. Okay. So I have those results, which I'll share with you, and we will proceed with those results. Another thing that I have done is I have truncated. It says it already exists, but I don't think in your case it would show the same. There would be a different error. Did you also get this error, or is there a different error that you guys are getting? Error आएगा इसमें primarily because our resources on the computer aren't like, at least in my case, maybe you guys have a better computer. My laptop isn't potent enough to handle this step. Again, coming back. So I have run it on my lab server. I have the files which I'll be sharing with you. Secondly, I have also truncated this data. How many, do you guys remember how many FASTA sequences did we have? How many features did we have? We had around 490 features. I have taken first 50 features from my data. Okay. I'll be sharing that file with you. You have to perform this step on that file, and whatever next steps that we are going to perform, you will perform on those truncated data sets and see what the difference is. Okay. Is the task clear to everyone? Abhi ke liye, I am sharing the results of this step with you guys because it is going to take a lot of time. We will proceed with those files. But for your assignments, I'll be sharing truncated data sets with you, and I want results of those truncated data sets. That will make me understand kitne log, how many of you are genuinely understanding this whole pipeline, and how many of you are just saying it for, are here for the sake of it. So do it carefully. अभी का status बताओ, were you able to run this command or did you get any error? Tell me what is happening.